In today's fast-paced world, additive manufacturing isn't just an option, it's a game changer. With markets moving faster than ever, cutting-edge production methods like additive manufacturing aren't just a cool upgrade, they're a competitive necessity. But what if you could implement these benefits without massive upfront costs or complicated processes? With over 6 years of experience in additive manufacturing, we've seen firsthand how companies can leverage this tech. First up, let's talk optimization. In traditional manufacturing, changing a design mid-production or trying out new ideas can be costly and time-consuming. But additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, gives you the flexibility to prototype, test, and refine without major disruptions. Here's why that matters. Imagine you're developing a product, but you need to tweak it a few times before you're satisfied. With traditional manufacturing, each change means stopping the line, creating new molds, or retooling machines, all costly steps. With additive manufacturing, you can adjust the design digitally and test it on the spot. No need for molds, no need for extensive downtime. Take the automotive industry. Companies are using additive manufacturing to create custom-fit parts for vehicles on demand, and the turnaround is faster than ever. Instead of weeks, they're working in days or even hours. This level of optimization means you're not just saving money, but also speeding up your time to market. Next, let's dive into cost efficiency. Traditional manufacturing often requires large initial investments in tooling, molds, and material. Additive manufacturing flips that equation, allowing you to print exactly what you need when you need it. Think of it as paying only for production, not prep. Say you're launching a new product. Instead of ordering thousands of units up front to lower the per-unit cost, you can produce smaller, precise quantities. This pay-as-you-go model minimizes waste, which adds up in savings, especially for small businesses or startups working with tighter budgets. For instance, many consumer electronics companies are printing housing parts or prototypes directly, which would otherwise require complex and expensive molds. They're reducing the waste and cost by only using the material needed for each specific design. The result? They're able to offer a high-quality product without the overhead. Today's market changes fast. Staying competitive isn't just about having a good product, it's about being able to adapt and respond to market needs quickly. Additive manufacturing gives businesses the agility to stay flexible without being locked into long production cycles. For example, if a customer asks for a unique product or customization, additive manufacturing makes it possible to fulfill those requests without costly or lengthy retooling. This flexibility doesn't just add value to your brand, it can also set you apart in a crowded market. Think about how powerful this can be for early market testing. You could produce a small batch, gauge demand, then scale up as needed. No need for massive upfront investment. With additive manufacturing, you have options, and options mean you're better positioned to take on new opportunities. If you find this valuable, make sure to share the video and check out the description for more information. One of the biggest advantages of additive manufacturing is scalability. Whether you need to make 10 parts or 1,000, the process remains affordable and streamlined, and you avoid the huge costs associated with traditional scaling. With print on demand, there's no inventory piling up, no need to guess at demand. As orders come in, you produce exactly what's needed. It's a powerful option for growing businesses that want to scale gradually without big financial risks. Medical device manufacturers, for instance, often need custom-fit products for individual patients, and additive manufacturing enables them to produce these on demand, keeping overhead low. Likewise, in consumer products, brands can start with limited edition runs, testing and scaling as demand increases. So, whether you're a startup looking to keep costs low or an established business aiming to streamline and scale, additive manufacturing has something to offer. It's not just about 3D printing, it's about building flexibility, speed, and cost efficiency right into your production strategy. By optimizing production, reducing upfront costs, and staying agile in a competitive market, additive manufacturing lets you bring innovative ideas to life, quickly, efficiently, and without breaking the bank. Imagine what your business could achieve with these kinds of tools at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us today to explore how additive manufacturing can elevate your business. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. And if you're curious to learn more, check out our other videos on advanced manufacturing strategies to keep you ahead of the game. Remember, taking action is what brings these benefits to life. Start small, experiment, and watch as additive manufacturing transforms the way you work.